Yeah, miss.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the first question is in the figure OA is equal to OB, okay, and OD is equal to OC. Show that triangle AOD is similar to triangle BOC and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so how will you do this?
So, ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, it's already given that OC is equal to OD
Huh?
and OA is equal to OB,
Correct.
and angle CUB is equal to angle AOD because they are vertically opposite angles.
Awesome. Correct.
So, ma'am, they are governed by SAS.
Awesome. Cool. And so that's the first part. And what about the second part?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, as AOD is congruent to BOC, we can say AD is parallel to BC by CPCT.
Okay. Cool.
Ma'am, I just have a doubt here.
Okay.
Ma'am, by CPCT we can only prove that they both are equal. So if they are equal, it's not. We cannot say that they are parallel.
Uh, okay. Mm, I think here you can use the theorem which we had learnt in lines and angles. The fact that BOC and AOD are vertically opposite. So we can say that. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. You can extend that theorem. So you can use lines and angles theorem. So by CPCT, you can say that OAD and OBC are equal, correct? Wait, I'll just show it to you. Instead of just saying, I'll quickly show it to you. So this is our figure. Okay, what is the labeling? CBOA. Okay, C, B, this is O, this is A, and this is D. Okay, so we've proved that AOD is similar to BOC, correct? Now by CPCT, we can say that this angle is equal to this angle,
Yes, ma'am.
correct? Because this is an isosceles triangle if you actually go to see, isn't it? So actually this angle, let me just color it, will be equal to this angle.
So, ma'am, you're saying that we'll
Equal to
first
this.
prove it as alternate interior angles and then we can say it's
Yeah,
parallel.
correct. Because that's the property of parallel lines, right?
And we can use the converse of alternate interior angle theorem, right?
That is if two interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly my point. So basically, I just wanted to show you why I'm saying this angle is equal to this angle. For that, I just made a diagram that since they have given AO and OD and OC and OB all are equal, so you can say that this is an isosceles triangle, and hence we can show that the alternate interior angles are equal, and hence CB is parallel to AD. Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, This is the second part. Therefore, AD, oh, AD is parallel to BC. Done. Okay. Let's see the next question. Okay, yeah, there is someone named Vinod in the meeting. Yep, I agree. I don't know who that is. Okay, let's take the second one. So, AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. Okay. If a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. Okay, shall we just draw a diagram first for this? So they are saying AB is a line segment. This is question 7.2.2, correct? So they are saying AB is a line segment, correct? This is AB. Then they are saying line L is its perpendicular bisector. Okay, what is a perpendicular bisector?
It divides the
It
line into two
divides
equal halves.
Okay, and
90 degree.
correct. Yes. So both are important. First, it is 90 degree, and second, it will divide it into equal halves. Okay, so this is our line L. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to draw 90 here and then just show that this is equal. Okay, what's the next part? If a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. Okay, so let's say this is our point P. You can, of course, you can make it down also. That's not a problem. It can be either up or down. So what do we need to show? That so to prove AP is equal to PB. Okay, how will we do that? Anybody?
Can I?
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I take the midpoint as O? At
Midpoint.
90 degree.
Oh, this
At the
point.
90
Okay.
degrees point.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, POB is angle POB is equal to angle POA.
Correct.
Side AO is equal to side OB given.
Correct.
And ma'am, PO is equal to OP. It is common. So ma'am, hence AP is equal to BP by CPC.
Cool. Awesome. So OP is common side. Correct. So basically this is angle, side and side. So which property is used here? By which
Side
theorem?
angle side. Side
Awesome.
angle.
Yes. By SAS, we can say triangles are congruent.
Ma'am, can't we say by RHS? We have a
RHS will
side.
be okay. So RHS is 90
Oh,
side and this side, right?
yeah, hypotenuse, sorry.
Correct. So yeah, this is the common, most common mistake which happens regarding, right angle triangles, that you get confused whether to use RHS or whether to use SES. So just whenever you're trying to, decide which rule does it abide, always make sure you make a diagram and check. So here you can clearly see. So this is one side. This is the included angle and this is the other side. So SAS. Okay. Are congruent by CPCT AP is equal to P. Cool. So shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. O is the midpoint of AD. Okay. Show that AOB is similar to, okay, is congruent to DOC and O is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Okay, so I'll just give you like a couple of minutes. Try doing this question on your own because it's pretty similar to the first one. Okay. So just try doing this. I'll quickly go check on the other room and come back.
And it's third one, right?
The third one. So line
Yeah.
segment AB. Yeah, you have your books, right? Just check with that. Okay, I'll be back. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
How's it going?
Yeah. Miss, I had doubt in the third one.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am, me too.
Yes, Miss. Same.
Third one, level 2.
Yeah, ma'am, me too. No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Level 2, question number 2, I have doubt.
Okay, and the third one from level 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll quickly open. Okay, lines and angles is chapter, okay, 6. Huh? Why it's not opening? Strange. Okay, level 2, third one. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, we didn't do this question last class. Acha, haan,
No,
when we
like,
had done.
ma'am, I figured out like we had to draw a line parallel like to DE through point C, but I did not get how to go out after that.
Okay, so just let me quickly draw the figure. Okay. Yep. So it's like this. This is A, okay, B, C, D, and E. And what have they given? In the given figure, AB is parallel to DE. Okay. So they have given AB is parallel to DE. Prove that angle. Okay, let me just write. To prove angle ABC plus angle BCD is equal to 180 plus angle CD. Okay, which are these angles? ABC is this. Okay, BCD is this. Okay, so they want you to prove this plus this is equal to angle CDE plus 180. Okay, I think there might be some property of co-interior angles used here because since they have given these two angles, must be something to do with co-interior. Okay. Let me just check quickly. Draw a line GH through C, parallel to DE and AB. Okay. So Puneet, what were you saying? What line did you draw parallel?
It's like I drew a line parallel to DE. It was passing to the point C.
Okay, so basically you extended this, is it?
No, yeah. It was actually slanting.
So it
Like it was
won't
parallel
be
to DE.
parallel to DE, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it will be slanting parallel to DE.
Okay.
But I'm trying to figure out what is common there.
Okay, so then it will be something like this. Parallel to DE. Okay, I really need
No,
to
ma'am, you
look.
have to
Passing through
insert a
C.
line between, yeah, in between DE and AB, passing through C. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this is, they are saying is line GH. Okay. And extending B to I and D to J. Okay, just give me some time. I might have to get back on this one because it's going above my head. uh, who had a doubt in question 2? Let me just clear that. I'll come back to this. Question 2, somebody had a doubt? What happened? No, nobody. What happened? Somebody. Shivesh, was it you who had a doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
So question 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's given that angle ABC is 68 degrees. Okay, and AB is produced to a point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So what will it be? I'll just come back to this one. Okay, so your question is ABC is 68. So let's just draw a line. So 68 will be something like this, isn't it? So this is A, this is B, and this is C, is what they are saying. Correct? And this is 68. And AB is produced to a point P. Okay, which side is this? Up? Okay. Or behind? Okay, this is P.
Yeah.
If ray BQ bisects, okay, there's Q also now. Okay. Ray BQ bisects angle CBP. So which is CBP? This is CBP. Okay. And then there is a ray Q which is bisecting this angle. So it will be like midpoint, correct? So then this is equal to this, correct? Okay. Then find angle AB. Okay, so this should be Q. Find angle ABQ and reflex Q BP. Okay, so which property will you use here? Shivesh, tell me. Just to find the first part. First part के लिए what property will you use? Find ABQ, na? For ABQ, it will be 68 plus this, let's say X. This is also X, correct? And how will I get X? Do you remember linear pair?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is linear pair? Or what is the straight line theorem? Whichever. Tell me what is the straight line theorem state? Okay, it's just this. So basically straight line theorem is 68 plus x is equal to 180. Correct? Solve this, you will get x. So you will get ABQ. Substitute it here. That's your first part. Done. And what else have they asked? CBP. Okay. Reflex BQ. Reflex of QBP will be nothing but 360 minus QBP. Correct? 360 minus this x. So you got it, right? So this is the basic way you solve it. Just try to substitute the values and solve. Let me know if you don't get it. Okay, coming back to this question. Uh, okay, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Just try solving the next sum. I'll come back to the third one. Hello. Did you all solve that question?
Yeah, miss.
Yes. Okay. So what about the next one? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Oh, wait, I'm not sharing my screen. Yes. Okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and DAB is equal to CBA. Okay. Prove that. Okay. They have given you 3 things to prove. Okay. This seems like an doable question. Let me see the next. Perpendiculars of a line segment show that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So can you solve questions 4 and 5? Try solving them. All of you all can discuss among yourself. That is not an issue. You can take help from each other and solve. Okay, I'll be back. If you're not able to solve these 2 questions, let me know. I'll solve them.
Miss, which all questions? Because there's some internet issue. I can't hear you.
Oh, the 4th and 5th one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, hello again. I was just trying to look into that question. I didn't quite get what they want to construct actually. Okay. They have given some other figure actually. This question. Now I'm confused. Okay. Okay, got it what they did. Let's come back to this. Okay, so basically they extended this line. Okay, they're saying extend this line, and what else? Extend this line here. And CB. Uh, okay, Puneet, which was the other line you drew after this? I'm still
Like
struggling.
Mama drew this only and extended CB, but I guess it is of no use.
Okay, let me just try to not see the solution because I'm also going crazy. Okay, so then this is parallel. Okay, we are drawing this line. They are saying basically draw this line parallel to GH parallel to DE. Correct? From here, what can we say? If these two are parallel, then CD becomes our transversal. Correct? Which means what? This angle will be equal to this angle. Correct?
Yes.
Alternate interior
No, I did
angles.
not understand.
Correct, na? Huh. Then what else can we do? An AB extending B to I. Okay, basically they just did this. Okay. So they are saying GCD is equal to CDE. Correct. This is what I just said. So this green one which I'm marking here, this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior. Correct. Now they are saying angle ABC is equal to angle BCH. Okay, yeah. So okay, I'm starting to get the hang of this now. Cool. Uh, Now GH is parallel to DE, correct? From here we said angle, let me just write it down. Angle EDC is equal to angle GCD. No confusion in this, right? Now again I will say that this GH is parallel to AI, correct? These two lines, uh, this one and this one. So what becomes the transversal? CB becomes our transversal, isn't it? So again I can say that this angle ABC is equal to this angle, isn't it? Again same alternate interior is equal to BCH. Okay. Okay. So now what they have done is GCB, yeah, plus GCD. What is GCD now? Okay, is equal to BCD. Okay, yeah. So they split the angles. Basically, this angle they are talking about now. So if this angle I were to write it as split it and write, what will it be? It is nothing but BCD is equal to angle BCG plus angle GCD, correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And from here, I can substitute GCD now. From here, which am I talking about? From this thing. From this relation, I can substitute the value of GCD. So it will become BCG plus EDC, correct? Or CDE, whatever. Or should I write it as CDE? Okay, to avoid confusion. Let's do that. CDE, correct? So we've got a part of our thing ready, correct? Now they are saying ABC plus GCB. Okay, yeah, point. So let me write it here in blue. So we are still talking about this angle here itself, angle C basically. So what they are saying is they are using the straight line theorem, that since they are like, it will be 180 because they are on the same. Okay, ABC and
Miss, which two angles sum will be 180?
this one ABC, I'll write it here, ABC plus angle BCG, co-interior. I'll just explain this again because even I'm like just going through it. Let me just write it, then I'll explain it to you once more. Okay, so you just got
So, ma'am,
this.
like angle BCG can be substituted then.
Correct. So then this will become BCD is equal to, so I'll just write it here, BCG is equal to 180 minus ABC. So 180 minus ABC plus CD, or ABC plus CBD is equal to 180 minus 180 plus CD. Okay, cool. I'll quickly explain this to you again, whatever I've done. Okay, so this is our correct. What we had to prove? To prove that ABC plus BCD is equal to 180 plus CD. Okay, so for our reference, let's quickly mark which angles they are talking about. So they are talking about ABC is this, BCD is this, and CDE is this. Okay, so when you just mark the angles in the figure, automatically, since you see these two angles here, these two angles are together, automatically there is something to do with co-interior angles. And the minute you see this angle here, which means it has something to do with alternate interior angles, isn't it? So we know that much. Now we should prove how do we prove that they are co-interior and how do we prove that they are alternate interior. So to do that, basically what they have done is, okay, let's just mark one more thing which they have given is this. So DE is parallel to AB, correct? This is parallel to this. Okay. So, but this is not helping because we cannot consider CD as a transversal, nor we can consider CB as a transversal. Okay. So now what to do? We have two lines, CD and CB. So let's break them down and consider each of them as transversals. For that, what will you do? It's simple. We just draw a line from here. Okay, this became crooked. Okay. If I just draw a line like this, which is parallel to both DE and AB, it is, fulfilling the criteria of making CD also transversal and AB also CB also transversal, correct? You understood now why this line is drawn. Got it or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Any response? So yeah, just like don't blindly draw a line just because they have said it in the solution or that you should draw. Understand why they drew this line. You got it? So AB is parallel to DE and this line DCB, it's like this, right? So it can't be considered as a transversal. So what we did is we just drew another parallel line and broke them into two transversals. Correct? Now all they have done is they have gone ahead and proved that this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior. Correct? Now you can see it. And what else have they proved? They proved this, that this angle and this angle will be co-interior, isn't it? Are you following? No, yes, still confused. What happened? Didn't get it? Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Got it? Okay, so now try doing it on your own. Uh, so basically, I hope it's clear like why we drew this line. So it should not be like we get stuck in other questions, isn't it? Okay, try to do it. Once again, if you feel you are still
Ma'am, it's
having
under the category. Sorry.
yes, tell me, Nikki.
It's under the category NCRT, but I don't think we did this question in school in our textbook.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I think this is an exemplar question. I don't think it's an NCRT question. Because, see, actually, the only thing here involved is this line, this GH line. But knowing where to draw it and why to draw it is the whole crux of the question. Then there's nothing else which is difficult. Yeah. This
Ma'am,
looks like
what about the question 9?
question 9. Okay. Exemplar question. Okay. Ninth one. If one of the angles formed by two intersecting lines is a right angle, okay, what can you... Uh-oh, somebody is... Okay. If one of the angles is formed by two intersecting lines is a right angle, what can you say about the other three angles? Give reason for your
The
answer.
other three are also 90.
Okay. So just let's... Okay, let's just draw a figure. These are two lines, correct? So they have just given one is 90. So Puneet, tell me, what will the other three be?
Okay, ma'am. Like I
Got it?
got confused in the figure.
Acha, no, it's just intersecting lines. So you can make anything. It can be here, it can be anywhere. It will still be 90 degree. All. Because one is 90, then all have to be 90, the others. isn't it? How do I get that? I consider this as a linear pair. That's how I'll get this as 90. Then I consider these two as a linear pair. I'll get this as 90, and so on, isn't it?
Or even vertically opposite angles.
Correct. You can do that also. Okay,
Ma'am,
so yes, tell me. Any more question?
ma'am, you solve the 11th one.
11th one. Okay. Okay. Can you just give me like 5 minutes? I'll be back because I haven't given them any questions. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll be back and I'll solve it. Hello again. Have you all solved those two questions?
Yeah, Mister.
Done? Okay. Shall we go ahead to the sixth one then? Sixth one says L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines. Okay. Show that ABC is congruent to CDA. Okay. 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 These questions look pretty doable. Do you want me to solve any of them?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the fifth one, uh, can we take BC to be parallel to AD?
Okay, in the fifth one, do they give questions? AD
Ma'am,
and
they're already
BC.
parallel.
Okay, but they have given only the fact that AD and DC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB.
So can we
Okay.
assume it as parallel so that we can say BCO and ADO are equal, alternate interior angles?
Ma'am, instead
Uh,
we can do it a different way.
okay, just I'm not sure if you can assume it to be parallel. If we can prove that they are parallel, yes, definitely, then the method will work.
Ma'am, we can take angle A and angle C as two angles.
Angle A and angle B.
C. C.
C. Okay, A and C as
So
two
there are
angles.
two equal angles. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, DAC would be equal to BCA, and again DAC would be equal to BCA.
DAB is equal to. Okay, in this question, okay, they have given you two things. One that DAO and CBO is 90, correct? The 90-degree, and they have given you AD is equal to BC because they have said it's a lines. What is it? Equal perpendiculars to a line segment. Correct. Equal
Ma'am, we are doing
perpendiculars.
the sixth question, right?
No, fifth one.
Oh,
He was
doing the sixth
asking a
one.
doubt in the fifth one that whether we can consider AD as parallel to BC. So that,
Miss,
yes.
Miss, have you turned on your screen share because are you doing something because I can't see anything?
Oh, sorry. I have
Ma'am,
turned.
but it's perpendicular, right? To AB is
Yeah, Miss, now we can
perpendicular.
see.
So it will
AB.
be they both will be parallel because they're forming a 90-degree angle.
Ma'am, but we already have two angles and one side parallel, so why do we need to consider
Which
them?
is your second side?
Uh, we have two angles equal. BOC would be equal to AOD because it's vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can use vertically opposite here. If you use vertically opposite, then you can show AD is parallel to BC. You can use the other way around. But I don't think you can assume that they are parallel just because, they are 90-degree lines. But I don't know. I really can't say
Ma'am,
that.
it's congruent by SAS.
Okay.
ASA.
Uh, uh, how?
Yes, ma'am. Two angles in one.
AAS. AAS.
Yeah, AAS. So ASA, remember, if I say ASA, which means angle, side, angle. So no side included, no? It becomes, what is it? Okay, just let me quickly show you. Okay, if this is the figure, right? So they've already given this and this is equal. Then they have given this is 90, this is 90. Then you are going to prove this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite. Correct? So what does it become? This is angle, and this is side. So it becomes AAS. Okay, and Raghav, yeah. So since you have proved that this angle is vertically opposite to this one, now you can say these lines are parallel. That AB is parallel to CD.
Ma'am, we have to find out that CD bisects AB. So I got that how to do that, but I was thinking if we can say BCA and uh, uh, BAC, BAO, or
Okay, okay, wait. BAO is this angle. Okay. BAO and
yes, uh,
uh,
DCO.
DCO. Okay. Are
If we
equal.
say they are alternate interior angles, yeah,
Yeah, you can. So see, with this AAS thing, you have already proved that CD and AB are parallel. So
yeah.
now this angle A and angle C will be interior, alternate interior, correct? And what do you need to prove?
Okay.
Um,
Yes.
we can simply prove by CPCT that AO is equal to OC. Then we can say that DB bisects AB because AC because it divides it into two equal halves.
Or you can just directly prove this. So they have asked you this, right? That this side is equal to this side. So if you prove the triangles are congruent, why don't we just use CPCT and just
Ma'am,
say
not this
directly?
side.
Ma'am,
Then
we
which
have
side?
to say that CD bisects AB.
Ma'am, your
Correct.
markings are not correct.
Yeah, so
The
if
width
it
is
bisects
different.
Oh,
CD,
okay.
we'll
Wait, wait, wait. I'll change my
It's
markings.
OBC.
No confusion. Sorry for
ma'am,
that.
Ma'am,
when CD bisects AB, we get uh, AO and OB.
Okay.
So it's
So
the
what
same
did...
thing.
Yeah, so you basically need to prove this purple line. Am I right? That you need to show that this is equal to this. That's what bisect means, no? Okay, let me make it simpler for you. Acha, consider this is the line, okay? And now they are saying this CD is passing like this. Okay, so what do they want you to prove? They want you to show that this is equal to this. Understood now? So you can just directly use CPCT and directly say these are equal. You don't need to use any other theorem or anything else. Prove the
Yes, ma'am.
congruence
So
by
as they are
AAS.
equal,
And because they are equal,
D bisects AB.
correct. Awesome. That's all. Don't go into making parallel lines, then proving this, proving that, nothing like that. Okay, cool. So can you solve question 6, 7, and 8? I think 8 may you might need help. Might need. Looks easy, but let's see. Okay, solve these 3 questions. If you are stuck, I'll help you out. When is the class getting over? 4:30. Yeah, sorry, my screen was not on share mode, so maybe you all were not able to see. Yep. Okay. So try doing these 3 questions. I'll be back. If you are done with this, you can go ahead, huh? Don't like wait for me to come and say do the next one. Feel free to continue. If you are stuck anywhere, yes, let me know. I'll come and solve it. Hi again. Okay, we were going to do the 11th question, isn't it? Okay, let's do that. Hmm. Okay. If OA, OB, OC and OD are raised in the anti-clockwise direction. Wow. Okay. This is confusing.
Yes, they can be any ray.
Yeah, actually, like I don't understand the point of anti-clockwise. So basically, I think they are trying to say OA comes first, then OB on the left, OC even more left, and OD last, something like that. That's all they are trying to say by anti-clockwise. Okay, so let's just start with the point O. Correct. Suppose this is OA, then they will say OB will come here on the left. This will be OC, and this will be OD. Okay, maybe I'll make it something like this. Yep, OD. Okay, then what are they saying? Okay, let me just write the question number. Such that, so basically anti-clockwise here means go labeling in the left direction. That's all. Nothing else is important. Okay, they have given you AOB and COD is 100. Okay, what is AOB? AOB 100 and COD. Oh, nice. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Cool. And BOC is 82, AOD is 78. Oh, they're just asking one question. Okay, BOC is 82 and what is AOD? 78. Okay. So they want to know if AOC and BOD are lines. So what is the criteria for saying that they are lines?
It should form a straight angle that is 180 degree.
Correct. So AOC के लिए what will you check? Either check, okay, for AOC, check if angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 or angle AOD plus angle DOC is equal to 180, which clearly you can see they are not, isn't it? So what is this? Let me just write it here. So this one is AOB is what? 100 plus 82, which is not equal to 180, correct? And this will be what? This is 78 plus 100, again not equal to 180. So AOC is not a line. What about BOD? For BOD again you'll check. For BOD,
Yeah, ma'am, same.
same.
It's
Correct.
not a line.
Correct. So you got it, right? Okay. Any other question you have a
Miss, it
doubt?
is missing the 12th one. It is also the same, right? X plus Y should be 180.
Correct. Wait. Will ABC be a line? No, no, no. For what value of x plus y in the given figure will ABC be a line? Correct. Yep. But it looks like 180 or it looks like 90.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what they want to confuse you. Correct, you're right, Puneet. It will be x plus y will be equal to 180, only then it will be a line. Any other question? Okay, these look easy. A level exemplar question, why do they look okay? They are miscellaneous, no wonder. Okay, they are all based on, actually all the miscellaneous questions are based on straight line theorem. There's nothing else. If you feel they are repetitive, skip them. Huh? You can do that later. Just try to cover the different types. This is interesting. Try doing this question. 6.2.22. That is interesting. Yeah, okay. All the others are same. Cool. Okay. So let me know if you have any other doubt. Okay.
Ma'am, in the 13th one,
Huh?
we will have to first substitute A and then take it. Or is there any other method?
Okay. In the given figure, if PQR and QOR form a linear pair, okay, which means what? A plus B is equal to 180 and A minus B is equal to 80. So they become two linear equations and solve. Or you can just substitute like A is equal to 80 plus B. Substitute that in A plus B is equal to 180. You'll get the values of A and B. Okay, while I'm here, why don't you try doing this question, the 22nd one? I think you'll be able to solve it. Ha, Tharva, that's fine. Yep, simultaneous equation only it is. In the adjoining figure, if two parallel lines AB and CD are cut by a transversal EF at G and H, and angle 1 and 2 are in the ratio. So they have given you two angles in a ratio. That's all the catch is there in this question. Find what? Find angle 5 and angle 6. And they have given you 1 and 2.
Ma'am, it's very easy. 2 plus 1 will be 180.
Correct?
And when we find 2 and 1, 2 will be equal to 6 and 1 will be equal to 5 because they are
Corresponding
Corresponding. Ha. Awesome. Good. Okay. So then I think you all can actually solve level 2. Only that one question was a problem. That third one. Let me see if I can find more questions like that. Ha. Try this one then. The 40th one. That's also a little. Oh, they haven't given you what is L. They have given 2 and 1, but what is L? Okay, let me try to search. Oh, that's angle 1, not L. Oh, okay. Yeah, can you try doing the 40th question? It looks really interesting. That's not L, it's 1. If angle 1 is 75, then prove that angle 2 is 1 plus 1/3 of a right angle.
Miss, 1/3 of a right angle is 30 degree
Huh,
plus
correct.
angle 1 that is 75 degrees, so it will be 105 degree.
Okay, yeah, so you need to
And
prove
I
that.
got it. Yeah,
Okay,
so can I tell?
yes, sure.
Miss, what you say? The alternate interior angles of angle 1 will be the co-interior angle of angle 2.
Okay, you're saying this angle next to 2. Okay, let's just call it 3. Wait, I'll make a diagram. This is going to get confusing otherwise. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, yep. So, correct. And this they are saying is 1, this is 2. Okay, so let's call this 3. So you're saying 1 will be equal to 3.
Yeah, corresponding angles.
Correct.
Then angle 2 will be equal to, no, angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree minus 75.
Correct. Or basically angle 2.
105.
Correct. Co-interior is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus angle 3, which is equal to 180 minus 75. Yeah, but it's important to write that 1/3 of a right angle is 30. Write this somewhere. That how you got 105. Good, very good. That's really good that you answered. Okay, then I think the other questions are really simple. You should be able to do it. I don't see. Oh, I found one more. The 44th one. Check that. They have given you a little bit weird figure. They have said that they are parallel. Okay, PQ is parallel to RS. Oh, PR is the tiniest transversal. Okay. And what do you want to find the value of X? Okay.
Miss, got it. It's easy.
It's 70.
Correct. Yeah, it will be
Yeah,
70.
ma'am, it's 70 only.
Anybody who did not
Also
get
me too.
this? Anybody who did not get this? Shivesh, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Uh, I'm
Should we go
assuming.
to level 3?
Yeah, if you feel you're comfortable with these questions, sure, definitely go to level 3. I think we might solve, we might have one more session to solve, so I'm not really sure. So, yep, you can continue. Or no, wait, why don't you all do level
Miss,
3
what about
on
48?
Thursday? Or Thursday you want to do some other chapter? Okay, then let me know. 48. The degree measures of three angles are x, y, and z. Okay. Okay, this seems to be easy. Okay. So first make a triangle. This is x, this is y, and this is z, correct? And then they are saying z is x plus y by 2. Find z. What will you do? Main property of a triangle?
180 degree. Yeah, I got it.
Correct.
Some property.
Correct.
Miss, I
Angle
got
sum property.
confused with that. That sign was there, I guess. It was looking like 0 in my book.
Oh, it's a degree symbol. Don't worry. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so you all decide whether you want to solve level 3 now or on Thursday, or if you want to solve in some other chapter on
Thursday.
Thursday.
Miss, like triangle session will be when then?
Yeah,
Uh,
ma'am.
Triangle session, I guess Lasya ma'am will be taking it for you all. So, I guess that will be scheduled soon because, yeah. And then maybe when these people have lines and angles or some other practice, we'll do triangles with you. Don't worry. We'll cover it.
So Miss, we can do
So, Miss, level 2
level
is
3.
basically we can do it on our own. So,
Okay.
probably we should do level 3 now, and maybe next class we can do level 4 or some other chapter.
Okay, cool. That's also good. Okay with me. Anything. Basically, the idea is pick such questions which look hard to you so that, when I'm there, you can just ask me and get it clarified and then, do the rest like homework or practice on your own. Okay. Okay, I'll just quickly go back and come. Hello again. So, have you solved those questions?
Yes.
Did you get
Yeah,
the
ma'am, just on the last question.
Okay. Did you all get the eighth one? Anybody is having a doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Nope. Okay. Okay, if you're done with eighth, you can move on to the ninth one. Ninth, tenth. They are pretty easy. Okay. Let's just do them. The eighth one was little tricky. Sure, no, nobody had any doubt in that. You can ask me. I'll solve it. No problem. Anybody solving the 10th question? Isosceles triangle with altitudes. So they want you to show that altitudes are equal. What is an altitude? Who can answer? What is an altitude?
Ma'am, an altitude is a line that originates from a vertex and goes to the opposite side and forms a 90 degree.
Correct.
And a median is the same thing except it bisects the line into half.
Correct. Yes. So yes, that is the important difference between the two, altitude and median. Keep these terms in your mind because they do come. You are going to see them quite frequently this year and next year. So median, what is a perpendicular bisector, what is a median, what is an altitude. Get those concepts clear. Okay, let me know how to solve the 10th one. Anybody? Okay, so what have they given you? ABC is an isosceles triangle, which means what? Oh, wow, there are two A's. Okay, take one as C, maybe take uh, vertex as. Okay, Ritvik, you can. Okay, send your working, no problem. So AB and AC are equal, correct? That's what isosceles triangle means. And you need to show that the altitudes are equal. What does altitude mean? You need to show BF and AE are equal. So how will you do that?
Ma'am,
Yes.
so ma'am, we can start by taking triangle AEB and triangle BFA.
Okay.
In this, AB will be common, and angle AEB will be equal to angle BFA because they are 90 degrees.
Correct.
And we also know that since the triangle is an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides of the triangle will be equal. So angle ABC will be equal to angle BAC. Hence, by angle side they will be congruent, and by CPCT AE will be equal to B.
Mm, just give me a minute. Okay, so you have considered those two triangles. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah. So then there is one more way to do it. Do this. It will be you consider triangles CE and BFA. Okay. Let me just draw it for you. Okay. So Correct. So what am I saying is you can consider these triangles also. AEC, prove that it's congruent to triangle BFC. Correct? Or this one? Anything. If I consider these two triangles, what will be so I can consider these angles, right? This is equal to this, correct? Angle AEC is equal to angle BFC 90°, correct? Then what else can I prove?
Angle C will be common.
Okay. Okay, Ritvik, you sent a picture. Where did you send it? On WhatsApp? Oh, okay, cool. Let me just see. AB is equal to AC. Yep, yep. ABE. Okay, you use RHS. Yeah, Ritvik, it seems to be correct. Okay, yeah. Somebody was saying angle C will be common. Correct. Yeah, I can use that. And I can also use this property. Which property am I talking about? This one. That BC. Oh no, should be that triangle. AC is equal to BC because it's an isosceles triangle, isn't it? AC is equal to BC. So, and angle C is common. So, which test is this? Which test of congruency is this? It will be angle side. Yes, there are like multiple ways to show this. There's not like just one correct answer, but make sure whatever way you're using, check which test you are going by. Okay. Just make sure that you write, because sometimes what happens is you might do all the proofs and everything correctly, but in the end you might just make a mistake while writing which test of congruency it is. So be very careful. Okay. No, Aditya, it's not till 5. We'll wrap up. Okay. If you're done with this question, you can wrap up. So we have another class on Thursday. We'll do level 3 that time. Okay. On Thursday, we'll do level 3. So level 2, you can practice few more questions if you want. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Try doing the exemplar questions. Okay. So for level 2, try doing the exemplar questions by today, tomorrow. On Thursday, when we meet, we'll discuss if you have any doubts. Okay. If no doubts, we'll go
Yeah,
to level
miss.
3.
Okay, miss.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah. So you can leave if you're done.
Ma'am,
Okay, miss.
hi ma'am.
Bye.
Thanks a lot, miss. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Actually, not in this chapter, but when you had explained linear equations in two variables, I actually had a meeting in school, so I wasn't able to attend it, and the recording is not there on YouTube. So,
Oh, is it?
ma'am, but
I'll try to upload it now itself. Thank you.
Yeah, miss. A few
Okay.
sessions are not been uploaded. A few.
Okay, I'll just check. I think there was an issue with one of the classes. I was not able to record. So,
Yeah, on
but
Google Meet.
other than that, other things, I'll just check and upload it today itself. Okay, so Elena,
Okay,
what you
miss.
can do is just make a list of those questions or any particular things you have in mind and let me know on Thursday. We'll discuss that. Okay?
Miss,
Yes, Aditya?
Miss, I just started out that every time we are doing sums of this chapter,
Okay.
it's always mandatory to write the the congruency rules in bracket, or it's
Yes.
okay if we just directly mention them in the answer
No,
by
you
the
have to
rule
write.
tab.
No, you have to write both the reason and in the end you have to write the congruency rule, whether it is SAS, AAS, SSS,
Yeah.
RHS. You have to
Okay.
write. Okay, that's really
Okay.
important.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, miss.
bye.
Bye, miss.
Hello again.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nikki, what happened?
in 6.3.2, they're saying
Okay.
EFDQ and ABCD. They mean EF is parallel to DQ and AB is parallel to CD, right?
Yeah, looks like that only because it's not a quadrilateral, right? Where is EF? Okay, it's parallel. Yeah, correct. EF is parallel to DQ and AB is parallel to CD.
And can you also solve the next question, 6.3.3?
Okay,
Third
sure.
one is quite different.
Third one. Okay, let's do it. They should have written somewhere, no triangle. ABC. Okay, so they have given you 6.3.3. So triangle ABC. You don't need to draw.
Is it
This
a
is,
triangle?
yes, it is a triangle. Yeah, they should have mentioned that it's a, they should have put a triangle figure actually, but they just thought it will be like
Then
self-explanatory.
it is easy.
Huh. 122. Angle B plus angle C is 111. So just substitute the value of B in from 2 in 1. We get it.
Miss, like in the first equation, angle A plus angle B is 122.
Ah.
So from there only directly we can say that C is equal to 78. No, 58.
Okay, but yeah, just show the working that you have substituted value of B, or how did you get B, that's all.
Okay.
Just show the working, because since it's a level 3 question, it must be a 3 marker, right? So then in this case only the steps will carry marks too. Okay, any other question?
Ma'am, can you still solve it further?
Sure, why not? Okay, I thought maybe it was only the triangle part, so you all. Okay, from 2, I can say that B is equal to 111 minus angle C, correct? Okay, substitute B in 1. What will I get? Angle A plus 111 minus angle C is equal to 122. Okay, let's just put, or angle A minus angle C is equal to 122 minus 111. which is how much? 1, 1, okay, 11 degrees, correct? So I know angle A minus angle C is 11 degrees. Okay. And what is the one more condition which we know? That angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Correct? Because there are three variables, it's obvious that there will be three equations. Isn't it? So keep that in mind anytime you get stuck. So from here, I know that I can say A is equal to, okay, or maybe I can directly do this. I've taken the long cut. Okay, let's just go back a bit. Just a second, my board seems to have hanged. Huh? From 1, A is equal to 111 minus C. From 2, 122 minus angle B is equal to 111 minus angle C. Or I'll get angle B minus angle C. So this is nothing but 11 degrees, and we also know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, correct? Or I can just say that angle B is equal to 11 plus angle C. So angle A plus 11 plus angle C is equal to 180, and I know that angle A is also equal to 111 minus angle C, correct? From 2. I'll
In
substitute
the
that.
second line, you missed one more C, right?
Where?
It's A plus B plus C is 180, right?
Huh.
So A plus 11 plus C plus C is equal to 180, I guess.
Huh, correct. Sorry. Okay, just let me add it here. Oops, my bad. 11 plus angle C plus angle C. Correct. And then we know this. So I'll just substitute this. So 111 minus angle C plus 11 plus angle C plus C is equal to 180. Correct. So I can just cancel out 1 C here. So it will just become 122 plus angle C is equal to 180. Or you can, I mean, there are multiple ways to solve this. Just don't stick to what I have done. So this will be what, 8, 6, 68, correct? And substitute it in the other two, you will get, sorry, it will be 58, 68. You got the idea, right, Neki? What to do?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can directly also substitute from 1 and 2 directly into the third equation, the 180 wala equation. Anything is fine. As long as you know how to get only one variable in the equation, you can play anyhow you like with the others. Okay, should we stop for today? Okay, let's stop then. We'll continue on Thursday. In case you have, like, try practicing questions from this chapter. If you have any other doubts, we can continue this chapter itself, or we'll take up some other chapter. Anything is fine. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.